3M, we took a breath too. We took a breath to do research, to better understand your needs, to create the protection you need with the ease and comfort you want. In essence, we designed this to help make breathing and working easier. Introducing the new 3M Versaflo powered air purifying respirator, TR300+. A versatile respirator system for particulate environments that offers ease of use, comfort, and customization. The components of 3M's PAPRs are designed to fit and work together, so filtered air is delivered to the wearer via a motor and breathing tube. Want to keep your facial hair? Loose-fitting head tops accommodate a limited amount of facial hair. The customizable system uses color-indicated connections and compatibility indicators for the wide range of head tops, breathing tubes, and batteries that are available. Most head top options have a wide field of view to help you connect to your patients and your work. The ergonomically designed PAPRs provide balanced weight distribution, comfort, and mobility. They're also easy to operate, with color-indicated interaction points and new battery charge and filter life indicators. The new TR300+ PAPR offers even more features than the TR300, including 2 selectable airflow rates, altitude compensation, new filter and battery life indicators, and an overall increased robustness. Let 3M's newest PAPR solution help you take on the hazards of your workplace. Now breathe.